Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Final Cut Academy. Have you ever tried to delete a clip in Final Cut Pro and got frustrated because all the connected clips got deleted? So this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to change connection points in Final Cut Pro. So let's get started. So here you can see there is a project of mine and you can see a connection point over here. So this connection point connects both this upper and this bottom clip. You can see. So if you want to delete this upper clip only, let's delete. You can see both the clips got deleted. So what to do? So you need to press Option and Command on your keyboard and then click on the point where you want to place this connection point. Now you can see the connection point moved over here. Now let's delete this upper clip and you can see the bottom clip has not got deleted. So in this way you can change connection point in Final Cut Pro. If you really found this video helpful, do hit the like button and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.